All right, let's take you into the hill country. That's where the 99% of the rain is right now. We had just one lone shower move through Austin, and that has just about dried up. But here we are in high in western Blanco County at the Covington Cellars camera, looking at some of those storms that are farther west than Blanco County right now. This is the view of the storms brewing from the Highland Furniture and River City Grill camera in Marble Falls. But once again, the storms are farther west than our camera shots can take you. You can see where they are: Llano, Mason, and Gillespie counties now. These storms rather strong, especially in southwestern Gillespie County, moving through Harper, and then another strong storm over the city of Mason running north through Mason County. The storm in Llano County is fairly weak for now. We do expect storm coverage and intensity to gradually go up as we round out the afternoon and head into the evening as we get the continued daytime heating. We've got a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings about a county and a half away from Gillespie County, and the potential for severe weather to push into central Texas as we go into the evening. There's this line of downpours and storms that stretches through Del Rio. It's got some holes in it. Those holes are trying to fill in to make it more of a continuous line. Right now it's a broken line, but this line is going to gradually work its way east into the evening, through the hill country toward the Austin metro, and then into our eastern counties as we go later into the night tonight. And because of its relatively slow motion, it could produce some very heavy rain, but we're also concerned about the potential for severe weather as well. This particular computer model doing best with the timing. I think it arrives in the hill country, that line anyway, in northwestern sections of Mason County and San Saba after about 4:30. So 5 and 6 o'clock, it's moving through those counties. And then as we get closer to 7, that line continues to deepen in the hill country, affecting places like Gillespie County too. Then as we get past 8, 9 o'clock, we'll see that line working its way into the Austin metro counties with especially a wind threat and a flash flooding threat too. Some very heavy rain coming with this. And then it becomes a problem for our eastern counties after about 10. And then the intensity of the rain and storms starts to fade as we get past midnight. But there'll still be some lingering rain overnight into Wednesday morning. Wednesday may start wet, especially near and east of 35. The rest of the day, though, not too wet. Just some widely scattered showers and storms possible just about anywhere from late morning through the afternoon. So widespread rain, getting about 70% of the area, at least some measurable rain overnight as temperatures drop down to 68. Severe weather risk is highest in the hill country where it's a 2 out of 5. For the rest of us, it's a 1 out of 5. All weather threats on the table, but the tornado risk is isolated and low. More concerned about large hail and damaging wind, but again, the threats for that fade as you head farther east. There's also a flash flooding threat, a 2 out of 4 risk of that throughout the area. Still expecting what we were thinking yesterday. Most areas get between a ½ inch and 1.5 inches of rain tonight into tomorrow, but there could be some isolated amounts up to 4 inches. 40% rain chances tomorrow. You'll get some sun in there too. Rain chances much lower Thursday through Saturday, and then they start to pick up a little bit as we go into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So our best hope for widespread rain that may also bring some problems comes tonight.